Are you wondering what is the difference between the E99 and the E99 Pro drone? So actually, to be honest, there is zero difference between them. So for example, here I have the E99 Pro version. So why actually there are so many of these different versions on the market? So to be honest, the sellers are simply spamming the AliExpress and Temu and Amazon listings. So they simply make up different numbers, different names, such as Pro, Pro Max models, Super Pro, and whatever. It's like E99, E88. So all kinds of different weird names. So, but the product really is the same and it's identical. Actually, there is a few different manufacturers for these drones. So there is a chance that if you actually purchase from different sellers, you might actually get a bit different drone. So, but the names, they simply put them completely random. So, and you should really just purchase the cheapest one. But there is actually this difference between like each individual drone, because some of them are actually spec'd a bit different. For example, you can purchase some of these without the cameras and some with only one single camera or with two cameras. So maybe you will see that is a bit different, but also like power and how good it flies and the battery runtime and like the build quality is exactly the same on all of them. So I have had also the E88, so I have used that, and again it's pretty much identical drone, maybe a few design changes, but again they are the same drones and you really should just purchase the cheapest that you see. Even the remotes on all of them are the same and function in the same way. So are these actually any good? So both like E99 and E99 Pro, they have the same cameras and they're absolutely terrible really. So they are kind of like something you would expect to get from these like 20-year-old Nokia dumb phones. So the cameras are of that quality almost like so. They're actually very bad. So when you check the packaging, it says 4K, but that is no 4K. It's like probably like some kind of VGA camera that's has been out for like many years. So again, the cameras are absolutely terrible on this, and these are complete lies. Again, there are many listings which actually give you different options between the different cameras. But again, it's the same thing as for the names as well. There's the same camera really. So if you again get a choice to choose from, an example from 4K camera, Full HD camera, 6K camera, 8K, 8K camera, like get the cheapest one. They'll be the same camera really. So in some listings for 8K camera you have to pay more, but when you actually get these cameras, they are actually identical in just how terrible they are. So all of them will be extremely bad. And also these drones are actually very hard to control. So the joystick, yeah, it's not really the best. Well, the build quality is fine probably, but basically they are very hard to control and fly, and they actually fly all over. So, and also they can't handle wind at all. So even if you have a tiny bit of wind outdoors, the drone will simply fly somewhere away. So it's actually very lightweight, and it has like zero stabilization controls whatsoever, and it's simply like it can run away from you if you're not actually careful. Even in a windless day, yeah, the drone basically flies all over, and again the controls are very hard to actually control it in any way and get it to actually fly anywhere. Flight time again is the same on all of these. In best case you can get like 5 minutes of runtime. It actually might be even worse, like 3 minutes. So in the specs they say like 10 minutes, but that's not true. You get like maybe somewhere 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah, build quality is obviously very cheap on these. And also these blade protectors, they completely suck really. So they keep falling off all the time, and yeah, even if you touch it a bit, yeah, it simply flies off. These are complete garbage. So I really wish they had better blade protectors. But anyway, these all of them should cost around $10. So if someone asks you like $40-50 for one, do not purchase one. It's not worth it. For $10 and less, yeah, it's a fun toy, and you can still have lots of fun with it. But again, remember the cameras, yeah, absolutely terrible, hard to control, can't handle any wind, and yeah, the build quality, yeah, it's cheap Chinesium stuff, so you can't really ask much from $10 like drone. So again, these are $10 drones, do not pay more for them. There are many sellers and places asking like $50, but again, they're the same drone, and yeah, it's only worth $10. Whatever, basically, even if it says E99 Pro Super Max 8K, so don't be fooled by that. They're the same product, just a different name really, so different number and stuff like that. Anyway, still good, cheap, fun toy, but yeah, don't expect miracles from these. Good luck.